Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the Greenworks Pro 80V Cordless Brushless String Trimmer and Leaf Blower combo with a 2 amp hour battery and charger included. Nice. You can also buy these pieces individually, and Greenworks makes a lot of other products as well, so check those out. And this convenient combo has 517 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. Very nice. It's got a brushless motor for double the torque and provides more power, longer run times, and quiet operation with an extended motor life. The 80V brushless axial blower and 16-inch string trimmer combo pack provides ultimate performance at a great value. The string trimmer features a 14 to 16-inch cutting path, bump feed head, adjustable handle, and variable speed trigger for added control. The blower features an axial design with up to 500 CFM, or 125 mile an hour wind speed, and the variable trigger with 3 speed selections, low, medium, and high, and the 80V 2 amp hour lithium-ion battery with rapid charger. Now let's check out a helpful review from a verified purchaser called Love It. The trimmer is a real treat. Multi-speed, bump feed, lots of power, and can be configured for a 16-inch cutting diameter. While I would have liked the updated blower, this one still gets the job done with plenty of blowing power and an easy design to handle. The blower and trimmer are both on the heavier side, but your arms will get used to it and may end up shaky after the first 2 lawn jobs. Overall, they are both well built, the battery system makes things easy, and I don't miss the gasoline equivalents in the slightest. Well, there you go. Pick up this bundle today, and don't forget that Greenworks makes over 20 products that are compatible with the batteries. It's also available through Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery and free returns. So join the battery revolution today and pick up this bundle. You're gonna love it.